Hi, so we're going to be filling up this toilet bag to displace water in your cistern, which will then result in you using a lot less water. So I'm going to put in boiled water because then it won't have any germs in the water at all. So let's start now, and I'm going to pour it in here. You see, I'm pouring it in. Still pouring. This will take about 2.3 litres of water, this bag. And that's about, it will take a little bit more. Let's pour it in. And we'll put the lid on. Okay, so there we have the toilet water bag. So we're going down to the toilet where we'll put it into the cistern. Here we go. So I've prepared the lid of the toilet to be taken off, and you can see here is the toilet bag. So we can actually drop it in here if you like, and we can put it over this, which holds it in place so it doesn't get in the way of anything. So just make sure it's away from the toilet, and then what I suggest we do is we flush the loo, and you can see it's now going out. Now you can see there is space for another one just here. We could put another one in there. And actually, we could maybe squeeze another one in there if you wanted to. You don't want to put too many in because you would then maybe not have enough water in the system to do the flush. But it's now filling up, as you can see. There we go. And the bag is there with its 2.3 litres of water in it. There's the clip that goes over the toilet there, which will be covered up, and we put the lid back on. So it's going up, you can see it's not touching the water controls in any way. And there we go, and it is filled up again. So that's it, that's as simple as that. That way you will have, if you've got 2 or 3 or 4 toilets in the house and you put one of these bags in, put 2.3 litres of water in each, you will make a massive saving over the year. And if you send an email to the email on my in the description, it will automatically email you back a spreadsheet whereby you can calculate your savings, and a presentation which also gives you an idea of all the savings you can make. Water just went up by 28% with Thames Water in price, so it's worth the saving. It's worth saving the planet, and it is going to save you a lot of money in the long run. So please, if you like this video, please give us a like and subscribe to the channel. That would be really helpful, and it will keep me going at all these links. I'm giving you a link to the Amazon place where you can buy this bag. In the near future, I'll be providing this cheaper than the Amazon link. So we'll collect your email address and we'll send you an info on it. But thank you very much, and enjoy and save the planet. Bye.